I was diagnosed with type 2 diabetes. At the same time, my business was under pressure. My energy was low, my discipline was inconsistent, and I realized something. I wasn't sick because of genetics. I was sick because of disorder. The same disorder that was showing up in my body was showing up in my leadership. And that's when everything changed. Not because I got motivated, but because I made a decision to rebuild. I want to be clear about where this started. My A1C was 11.2 and my weight was 230 pounds. And my doctor told me exactly what most doctors would say. We can manage this with medication. And that's true. Medication manages, but it doesn't restore. And I knew I didn't want to manage decline, I wanted to reverse it. But the diagnosis wasn't just physical. It hit me mentally. It hit me spiritually because I knew this didn't happen overnight. I started asking different questions. Not, how do I fix this? But, how did I get here?
Processed carbs.
And the answer was simple. Not easy, but simple. Disorder. In the body, disorder leads to insulin resistance. In business, disorder leads to operational failure. In life, disorder leads to misalignment. When structure collapses, systems fail, whether it's your body or your business. Now I realized something most people don't want to admit. This wasn't happening to me, I created it. So I made a decision, not to try harder, not to get motivated, but to rebuild structure. I eliminated processed carbs, I started strength training, I fixed my sleep, I structured my mornings, and I committed to prayer. But more important than what I did is what I stopped doing. I stopped negotiating with myself. No more, I'll start tomorrow. Because discipline isn't emotional, it's structural. This channel is not about motivation, it's about structure. I'm going to document the reversal of type 2 diabetes, the rebuilding of my body, the restoration of my faith, and the rebuilding of my company. If you believe discipline changes everything, subscribe.